Hi guys, today is all about mother of thousands, how to grow and how to care. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Plantita Plant Studio. Mother of thousand is a succulent plant native to Madagascar, commonly called as alligator plant, devil's backbone, or Mexican hot plant. Mother of thousand plants are typically considered a weed and are very invasive where they grow outside easily. If you do choose to grow this plant, you may want to keep it in a container so it doesn't take over your whole garden. This plant loves a well-draining soil. I'm currently using a cactus mix for my cacti and succulents. It contains wood barks, perlite, and sun, which allows it to dry out quicker. I like this mixture because I don't have to amend it with extra pumice, sand, or rocks. Make sure to avoid regular potting soil with loads of humus, loam soil, or cocoa peat because this holds moisture for much longer. Like all other succulents, Mother of Thousand like to dry out completely between waterings. These plants are not as great as other about showing you that they need water. So I decided when they should be watered by the weight of the pot. If the pot feels heavy, there's still water in the soil. If the pot is super light, it's time to water. I always water my Mother of Thousands until water runoff is achieved. This lets you know every part of the soil is wet and the plant will be able to drink the most efficiently. These plants do best outside in warm climates. They thrive in hot, bright conditions. Because I live in part of the India, which is Gujarat, the climate is very hot. So I keep mine under the shade. But if your Mother of Thousand plant doesn't get enough light, it can become quite leggy. This essentially means the plant grows tall and spindly, with large space between leaves. It's not the end of the world, but a leggy plant is not the healthiest, meaning it will produce less pop and is not likely to bloom. Is Mother of Thousand poisonous or toxic? Yes, it is toxic all the way. Every single part of Mother of Thousand is toxic, even the tiny pups the leaves produced. If you grow this plant, make sure it's in a place that is out of reach of pets and children. The best and worst thing about this plant, it produces tons of babies. Unlike the most succulents, the babies do not form at the base of the plant. Instead, small plantlets form along the edges of the leaves. These plantlets grow roots and fall off the mother plant into the soil, creating an unending supply of Mother of Thousand plants. This is the reasons why Mother of Thousand is considered as invasive and is even restricted in some areas or countries. If your Mother of Thousand plants gets too tall, you can chop off the top and plant that in soil to restart the plant. I'm planning to do that to my biggest Mother of Thousand plant. In my experience, Mother of thousand is very quick to self-prune when left without water for too long. Leaf is damaged. Might as well help it along and pinch off those dead leaves. Only healthy leaves produce plantlets, so there's no reason to keep around sickly ones. When I only had one of each of the mother of thousand plants, I keep them together in a 4-inch terracotta pots. As the plants grew and produced babies, I repotted them into a 6-inch plastic pot so they will have a little bit more water for a longer time. I noticed they were getting thirsty very quickly with lots of them in one terracotta.